Pow! What's good, YouTube? Today this is your boy Patrick. You see, I'm always bringing the banger. Today we're gonna make it a little late. Today we feel like we're reacting to Call. You see, Call of the Legends. I'm reacting to my own music video. Hope you enjoy it. Let's get to it. You know how we do this. Expensive tears. RIP to all the legends we've lost and those who lost the year today. If tradition was a mission, was down for religion. Roll the dice wasn't enough, so between its eyes has to much more, so I didn't know the price. You know how we do it. This Patrick. Get ready. Meow, meow. From the beginning of the video, I know I was just spitting bars. Crazy bars, bro. I was spitting bars, I didn't understand. I was like, you know, religion, those styles. We can't joke with religion, so we brought Christianity, Islamism, traditionalism, Hinduism, you know, those styles. So let's go straight to the music. Yeah. Straight up. Hope you enjoy the hits, bro. Snitch wasn't enough, so I took the pill. The niggas follow me, niggas for kill. I don't sell niggas if it's the soul. Take that pill and up to the hill. I was like, snitch wasn't enough, so I took the pill. The pill can be anything, bro. So I took the pill. Then I went for the kill because you don't joke with people who snitch. You don't joke with them. They can be really dangerous. All the time I'm memories and angry. That's why you always see me sitting hungry. I'm so full to be successful, but the dreams go out. Too old, I'm getting old. Since what I told you once it's getting old, you live a life like you're getting low. It was too old, I'm getting cold. And my mom says once you get old, you should live your life as if there's no tomorrow. At any point in life, you have to live your life like that's your last day. I hope you're getting bars and sense from it. I don't make trash, I make correct music. Let's go. Like there is no tomorrow. Life is so nice. Trying to reach the limits. It's a bridge from the age that will not play. So much blood, got your number. Hello, Rufus. This my number, fuck off. At this point in life, there's people who be like calling you back, bro. You have to grow, you have to exaggerate, bro. You have to exaggerate your limits. That's why I made this point. You're taking the boat for the oats. All about the past is trash. You're taking the boat for the oats. This one has no meaning. I was just adding sense to my content. Not for the plans for the showers. No promise, I promise. $20 in my pocket, see the radius outfit. $20 in my pocket, see the radius means I'm adding imaginative something to the show. Because $20 in your pocket, bro, how does it work? It's worth nothing. Let's go. Greatest flow. Yeah. Praise the Lord with the law. You know. So getting old, how much to do? So I'm sold. Reminiscing for days can be a hell lot of problem, bro. Creating content, thinking about the past, bro. You have to move on, like, bro. Move on. From the trap, forget the pit, I'm too good. I'm like an A, looking at A. I'm not with jealousy, I'm like an A. You get to be my aim. A as in like first class, bro. I hope you're getting this. From the penalty, from the go to the CEO, I'm like Infinix, I'm not a charger. Infinix is a phone brand. So I'm not to charge because they're very powerful and I'm very lenient in my situations. See me right iron. I'm not the Lamborghini from the Hamburger. You see me clubbing. You see me in the club with my boys. Don't talk too much. I've paid. See me with the bag. Forget the clouds. Forget the phone. Forget the flow. Forget the blow. Cover your ears because there's a whole lot of big trash coming your way. Big trash. Start on my business 17, rated to 20, put my way, go my way, like so you see me come your toilets. I'm like not socket, writing a book, set the time, bro. My name, playing your lane. I be the first rapper, forget the speaker, smile skin, forget the speaker.
flow, hard flow, so they didn't take the no. They didn't take for O, I'm very sad, they didn't take the no. They didn't take O, they didn't take the A, take the B, forget about the C, forget the D, and then the E, from the F to the E. Like the charger, like a tanker, kill fast, like the panther, F from racing, like the giant can be contender. I'm beatboxing, beatboxing,
Beatboxing, my nigga.
beatboxing, yes, beatboxing, beatboxing. You know how we do this.
Thank you for staying tuned. We'll do this. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe on the music you have to be reacting to, because this is my first video. I'm reacting to myself, so I don't know how you're gonna take it. So do me the favor.